Hi everyone. So we just updated our No PO Box extension, and we did two things. One is we're not using any template overrides, which makes it more compatible with any other templates or themes. We do assume that you're using the OnePage Checkout, but we no longer are doing template override. So we had an issue with the 1.7, now it's not an issue anymore, and we're not using the templates. We're actually injecting JavaScript and properly doing the JavaScript based on your settings, so there's no need for theme modification or anything like that. As long as you're using the default form input values and classes, then everything is going to be working fine. So we also changed a little bit of the options. As you can see, you can select separately if you want to restrict the billing or the shipping address, yes and no to each one. And then we also added a message where, if the shipping is restricted but the billing is not, and the user selects use billing address for shipping, then they could have gone away with it before, but now they can't. So we're going to show it to you. But first I'm going to show the regular, both billing and shipping are restricted. So this is the front end here. I'm going to add something to my cart, and we're going to do a checkout. And here we're going to try and check out as a guest, and I'm going to put John Doe, it doesn't matter. And then here I'm going to put a PO box. And there you go, it won't let it happen. So let's say because we restricted both of them, let's go and use a shipping address, and then the shipping address, let's use the same. So John Doe, and then address is PO Box and Sacramento. And continue. So there you go. It just gives us this. Now let's go back and change it so it doesn't restrict the billing, but it will restrict shipping. So let's see what happens there, because that's usually what we get as issues with this kind of thing. So let's go to my cart again, proceed to checkout as guest. Okay, so John Doe, John. Okay, so PO Box. So notice that we are not restricting billing, so this should go fine. Okay, so now if we are doing ship to a different address, there's not going to be any problem for now. But let's try this where we're shipping to this address. So now we are checking. We're saying, well, shipping cannot be a PO box. Please use a different address. So unless we can do this, and then it will take us to shipping, where we can enter an address. And then, of course, if we do this, it will give us an error. And if we use, it doesn't matter. This thing, it just pulls the information from the billing. But if we use this, it will let us continue. So let's just go again. So the billing can happen and can have PO box, and while the shipping is using something else. So this one won't let us check out, but if we do this, It will let us continue, and as long as this one is not PO Box, it will work. Now obviously you can set your messages whatever you want. This is the custom message, the special case where billing is not restricted, shipping is restricted, and so on. So that's our new version. Try it out, or get it. I believe now we have it on 50% off special. That's it. Let us know if there's anything else you need with that. Thank you.